Right, so let's solve the next three questions all together because they are similar. They all have to do with arithmetic progression. So you'll probably be given these equations for the arithmetic progression. So you have un, which is the nth term, is equal to un minus 1 plus the difference. And then you have un equals a plus n minus 1 times the difference. And then you have Sn, which is the sum, is either n over 2, the first plus the last term, or n over 2 to a plus n minus 1 times the difference. That's a d. So let's take these equations because we're going to need them for that question. So cut them from here and we go ahead and paste them right here. Paste them right there and just keep them here. And maybe just color them up a little bit, highlight them. Right, so what is the question, by the way? So the question is number 37. Find the sum of the first 9 terms. So n equals 9 of the arithmetic progression with a equals 3 and d equals 4. So a equals 3, d equals 4, n equals 9. Okay, how shall we do? Let's take these, just copy them, and we're going to place them here. Okay, and if this was 36, then we're doing number 37. And what are we calculating? The sum. So we know that the sum, if you are given a, n, and d, okay, you use that equation. So Sn equals n over 2 to a plus n minus 1 times d. And I'm like to use square brackets for this one. So n is 9, so that's 9 over 2. 2 times a is 3, plus n is 9 minus 1 times d is 4. So it's 9 over 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. It is 9 over 2. 6 plus 32 is 38. So basically this is 9 times 38 over 2. Okay, let's add a page here. I think I added the page in the wrong place. Let's move it. Right, so this is 9 times 17 because 2 goes into 38, 17, 19 times. So it's 2 times 19. And 9 times 19. So 19 times 9, that's 81. Carry 8, 17, 171. So that is the answer to number 37. Now let's see number 38. Number 38 says find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic progression with a. So I'm looking for Sn again. For n equals 10, a equals 1/3, and the last term is 1/6. Right, that's good because we've got a different sets of numbers. Copy that. and it's number 38. And looks like, okay, paste it here. It's number 38. So we're looking for Sn. So we've got N, A, and L, and there's an equation here with, where is it? Okay, N and L, this equation. So Sn is equal to N over 2 A plus L. So Sn equals N is 10 over 2. Excuse me. A is 1/3 and L is 1/6. So we're gonna do 10 over 2 is 5. And then on the inside, let's multiply this by 2 because that makes 6 and 6. So 2/6 plus 1/6 is 3/6, which is basically half. So this is going to be 5 times half, which is 5.5, or 11 over 2. Okay, so that's number 38 done. So let's look at number 39, which is a bit more interesting. So number 39 is a bit more interesting because we're given the fourth term. So n1 equals 4. And I'll tell you why I'm calling it n1. Of an arithmetic progression is 1000. So that's the fourth term, it's 1000. So actually it's not n1 but n4. So n4 equals 1000. So n4 equals 1000. And the 10th term, n10 equals 2800. The first term, find the first term and the common difference. So let's take these two. Let's take these two away. Copy that. Bring it here. We're going to paste it here. So we need to find A equals and D equals. Okay, so we can take this equation. UN equals A. UN equals A plus N minus 1D. And say U4 equals A plus 4 minus 1D. But U4 is 1000. So 1000 equals A plus 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3D. Then the other one is U10 equals A plus 10 minus 1D. So U10 is actually 2800 equals A plus 9D. So actually we have this equation and that equation, and we can solve these two equations as simultaneous equations. So we can have A plus 3D equals 1000 and A plus 9D equals 2800. So clearly A and A are the same, so we can just subtract, put a minus, a minus, a minus, and have A minus A is nothing, 3 minus 9 is minus 6D equals minus 1800. the minuses can go. 6D equals 1,800. D equals, if you divide both sides by 6, 6 into 18 is 3, you get D is 300. Okay, so that means A equals 1000 minus 3D if we take that equation. So A equals 1000 minus 3 times 300, which is 1000 minus 900. So A equals 100. And we can test this too by just putting them into one of the equations. So one of the equations is A plus 3D is 1000. Let's take the second one because we've got the 100 from this first one. So let's take this one, which is A plus 9D equals. So what is A? A is 100 plus 9. What is D? 300. Okay, so 100 plus 2700 is 2800, which is the same as that. Okay, thank you for watching. I've come to the end of the questions I wanted to do for this one.